This video is going to show you how to make inside out Loco Moco, which is a Hawaiian dish. It's usually just a bed of rice with a hamburger on top of the rice and then a fried egg and then gravy. What I'm going to do is put the egg in the inside of the hamburger and the rice on top and then the gravy. So I made all the patties first and made a nice well in there. And we're going to put the egg in to all of them. After we have all the eggs inside the burger meat, we're going to sprinkle with pepper, a little bit of salt, and we're going to put a little rice on top, just like that. The rice I just made just like it says on the box. 4 cups of rice, 4 cups of hot water, boil for 5 minutes until the rice is soft. You can add a little butter to it too if you want. Okay, that's all the rice we need. Once you get them all filled with the egg and the rice, I put it in a casserole dish so it has high sides. And you're going to take beef gravy, tablespoon, just put it right on top of the rice. Tablespoon of beef gravy right on top. And then we're going to bake this on 370 for about 40 minutes. I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil too, so the top of it doesn't get burnt before the rest of it's done. So once you get all those covered, a little bit more on that one. Okay, we're going to cover it with aluminum foil and bake it for 40 minutes on 370. Okay, my version of Loco Moco is done. I had it in the oven for 40 minutes and then checked it and put it in another 25 minutes, and now it's done. Here's the inside, what it looks like. So you have hamburger, then the egg, then the rice on top, and gravy. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like my version of Loco Moco.